Hey, I'm Doodle Dog, and this is my drawing show where we draw cool stuff together. On today's episode, we're going to draw a smiley face. So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle! Okay, let's start up here at the top of the paper and draw a big circle. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. Down like this. And then back up. Like this. Nice and slow. You want to try to make that circle nice and big, because it's a big smiley face. Okay, that looks great. All right, now let's draw the eyes. Let's do an oval over here, like this. And back up. And now one over on this side, another oval starting right here. We'll go down like this and then back up. Okay. Now let's draw a line for the inside. Like this. And one on this side too, starting here, down, and leave a little sliver of white on the inside. That looks good. Now let's draw a circle over here inside that circle, like this. And a smaller circle like this. Now one over here, just like the other side, like this. And one more circle, a little smaller, like this. Now color those eyes in black. On this side too. Okay, let's do the eyebrows up here like this. One on this side. Another one on the other side. Now it wouldn't be a smiley face without a smile. So right here, let's draw the top of the smile across like this. And a curved line on this side. And now we're going to go down and up with the smiley face and curve off the edges. That looks great. And now the tongue line inside the mouth across like this. And maybe some teeth like this. Let's color in the mouth black. Wow, your drawing is looking great! Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons or colored pencils or markers and let's color them in. I'm gonna make mine yellow, but you can make yours any color you want. Don't forget the tongue. Let's color it in pink. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Doodle Dog. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.